Hello boys and girls, for today's STEM activity, we are going to make a water fountain. For this activity, you will need a water bottle, a straw, an adult to pierce a hole in the bottle and pass the straw through it and then seal it with either glue gun or blue tack. You need a bowl to hold the water that comes out of the straw and some water and a balloon. So let's begin. First, I'm going to pour some water in this bottle, and then blow up the balloon and place it on top of the bottle. Twist the balloon so that the air does not escape. You will notice that as soon as the air in the balloon is pushed down on the water and is forced up through the straw. What will happen when it is pushed up through the straw? Our fountain. We have our fountain. Voila! Thank you for watching.